So we have miscellaneous tags. Miscellaneous means what is the meaning of miscellaneous? Now you people are googling it. Okay, Google it. So see this. Miscellaneous tags. The first one is we're going to demonstrate the Marquee tag. Have you heard about this Marquee tag previously? You don't know. Even when I was a kid, I don't know. You just listen to the class. So Marquee tag means nothing but this text will be scrolled from right side to left side of the screen. Okay, see this. So this is the miscellaneous tags. So this is something that you're seeing is called as Marquee tag. What do you call that? So you can decide how to scroll and scroll speed and everything. You can have more controls when you go to the CSS, cascading styles. Now we will have only one attribute, that is behavior. So in this behavior attribute, very good. In this behavior attribute, you can go for values like scrolling, alternate, and slide. The by default one is actually the behavior of the Marquee tag is scrolling. So that means it will scroll from left to right. Table heading. Yes, sir. Table heading. Yeah. The next one is pre-tag. Pre means, see, when
student names or the student name. Where is the student name?
I'll tell you. Just wait. I mean the topic, right? Let's listen to just look at the board first.
Sir, Marquee ante miscellaneous tag anata, sir.
Ante. Look at the board, Ravi. Else will be fined 1,000 rupees. Okay, so this is the text that I wrote. If I refresh that one, see, this is my output. Okay, this is my output. This is called as a predefined tag. Okay, it's called as predefined tag. Whenever I write something in a predefined format, exactly my output will be in the same format. Okay. If we give some 8 tabs here, see this. In the output also, it will give 8 tabs and display the content. So this is called as a pre tag, which means predefined tag. So if you use this tag and write a predefined style of text, it will produce the same style of display in the output screen also, in the web page also. Okay. So let's go to blackquote. Blackquote is one of the best names that I ever encountered, but this is really weird. It just gives some tab space between the, if you want to display a paragraph under some heading with some space, with some 8 spaces or with some tab space, you basically use this blackquote. The blackquote is used to use some tab space between the heading and between the starting of the screen and the paragraph. Okay, that is it. And the last one is address tag. So if you write the address inside this address tag, actually the address tag is of HTML5, I think. So okay, this belongs to HTML5. So I will be demonstrating the tags in the future also. Okay, HTML away. I think you might encounter this ADDR tag, I think, not the address. Okay, the address tag is, I think, maybe it is different. Okay. If you write something inside the address tag, by default, it will be displayed in italic style. That is it. That is one of the miscellaneous tags. And BDO, bidirectional. O means override, sorry, bidirectional override, something like, the generally the text will be displayed from left to right, but if you give the RTL, right to left, completely the text will be reversed along with the words. Okay, let's look at this one. From right to left we go. This is how it is displayed. Okay, RTL means there are few there are few scripts which are basically displayed from right to left, something like Urdu or something like that.
Same number. Same number.
Yes. So this is miscellaneous tags. Okay, first one is Marquee, second one is pre, third one is blackquote, fourth one is address, fifth one is I really like that name, blackquote. We don't have no domain on that particular. Blackquotes.in. Typo. Oh, see, I love it. Thing. Okay, man. So this is all about miscellaneous tags. This is table. This is miscellaneous.